All right, guys, hope you have a great day. So we are back with question set 19. So welcome back to my channel. So I think you did watch my 18th video and 17th and 16th. So this is the other part of 16th question. So you know the 16th question, if I show you really quick. So this is the 16th question. So you can see it. So the mark of the term examination of Kalvila Junior College. We are doing this school database system. So we have to insert these all data to that school database system, because previously they were storing their data using books, uh, very traditionally. So still recorded in books, because of the principal has to spend a lot of time when he need to check the mark of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all students studying in his school in a computer system. So the software was developed by the software development company called AIsoft. So we are the AIsoft, we have to develop that database system. So the software should be able to store all student term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of student in grade level as the first stage of this software. So you are work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and SQL query used to provide the following requirement. So now you can see there is a sentence, SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So now we have to use SQL query to insert some data and update some data. And also we have to use SQL query to delete some data from our tables. All right, guys, let's go to the question. All right, now you can see today question. This is question set 19. So, all right, let's see what is the question. So, two new students have been admitted to grade 11 of this school. Their details are listed in the table below. Enter information in the student table. So, this question doesn't mention to use SQL query, but our video is all about SQL query. So, let's use insert query to insert those data to our table. So, let's just do it first. So now you can see we have two students. They have been admitted to grade 11. So we need to insert those data. So I'm going to insert that. I'm going to Hades scale, and we have query tab here. And let's see our student. We have 80 students yet. So now we need to insert those two student data to our student table. So all right. Let's do it. So we are going to query. So we need to insert those. Let me check my, yeah, my mic is on. Okay. We need to insert those data. So those two data. So let's write a query. Insert into exam box. So this is the database name, and I need to insert data to a student table. Student. Let me check. Yeah, student. And now we need to get the column names. You can see the column names. I write my column names previously, so I get that using this. So now you can see we get index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, and class ID. We have class ID. It's a foreign key column. We can insert it using this column name. So now we need to get the values. So let's get the values. Now you can see we can get them with copy and paste. So let's copy and paste them. And now we have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use these brackets and use single quotes. 1 and 2. We have to insert 3 and 6 data. Okay. Then 12 single quotes. Okay. 3, 4, and 5, 6. All right. So now we can insert data. 9, 2009, and the name is Amandi. uh, and Jason. So in this video, I'm not gonna fast forward this because I want to write query with you. So email and the name and contact number. Okay. Now we have a 11A. So 11A means we have to insert number one. So get the student table again and go to query space and write one. All right, guys. Now we need to give this semicolon, and now you can see we insert those values. So let's just run the query, and okay, nothing. Okay, no any errors. All right, let's go and refresh this. All right, it added really well. Okay, good. So now we need to insert other part. That means STU 0 0 10. Yeah, 10. I'm just and Natasha. Natasha, a nice name. Natasha is nice name. Vimala Senu. Don't take any spaces because it's a we can have some errors when we give some spaces for unnecessary places. So female, it's okay. We don't need to do that. And oh, the number is also same. All right, all right. We don't need. So we need to change the class. All right. So let's just run the query. Okay, nothing affected. And go and refresh this. We can have this. All right. So this is really awkward because why is that number same? All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Somewhere we have some update query for that. All right. We did that second. We did that first question. Now let's go to second one. So index number STU004. Student last name should be changed to Moses. Moses. All right. Write the relevant SQL query. So now we have to write update query. So you know that. So let's go to our update query. Right. Yeah. All right. Now we have Amanda Tilakaratne. She's in 11A. So STU004. All right. So we need to change the Tilakaratne name to Moses. Amanda Moses. All right. Not a Sri Lankan one, I think. Right. Let's do this. So we need to write update query. So relevant SQL query is update query. So we need to update student table. So we need to use variations and student, and now we need to set it. We have given to change last name. So last name should be changed. So variation last name. Oh my name. Okay. It equals to. Let me turn on my light. It's dark. Name. Name is what? Moses. Let's just get that from this. The name is so uncommon. Yeah. So Moses. All right, Moses. So okay. Now we need to find the index. We have given the index number STU004. So now we can use that condition to find the selected one. So selected one means selected the student. So index. I think this column is okay. So safety, for safety, let's get this one quickly and get this. Okay, index number equals to semicolon STU underscore 004. All right, I think it's good. So you can see I want to update the student table and I want to update last name Moses. We can select who is the Moses using this STU004. So this is Amanda. So we want to change the last name. So now let's run the query and go to student data. And now you can see it doesn't update yet. So when we refresh it, it updates like Moses. All right, good. So we did the query. All right. Now let's just get that. You don't need to do that. So because I get that for my reason. Right. So now we need to go to this third question. So Natasha Vimalasena, student's contact number should be, yeah. Now you can see it want to change. So write the relevant SQL query for that. All right, we can also customize that update query for that. So let's just get the number. Okay, I get that. And we need to update the student table. We want to set the contact number. So let's get the contact number. Contact number is this. Copy that and get the contact number. I'm so I don't like to type more things. Contact number. All right. Now we have given two conditions. You can see Natasha, it's the first name of the student, and Vimalasena, it is the last name of the student. We have given two conditions, and now we can use these two conditions to find the Natasha Vimalasena. So now let's do this way across, and we need to find the first name. So I get the first name here. Okay, first name is Natasha. Okay. And now we have to use AND operation because we have two conditions. So we can copy this and there. And now we need last name. So okay, last name. And we will say, yeah, we need to get that name from datasheet. So copy that, paste. All right. Semicolon. Don't keep any spaces because that's not good. So we will say, all right. Now number is okay. 3, 6, yeah, 10. All right. Let's just run the query. Okay, no affected rows. So numbers doesn't change yet. So when you refresh it, it changed. Okay, good. So we just did the second, third one also. All right. So now let's go to fourth one. So you can see fourth one. Natasha Vimalsen transferred the school before the first term examination. Oh, she came to school and go to school changer. Yeah, school changer. So therefore, remove the information about this student from the student table. All right. All right. I made some school changes too in my school life. Some beautiful girls come to my school and they entered my classroom. But one day, I met one day only. And second day, she has gone. I don't know where, but she has gone. They are school changes. Yeah, that's their hobby, I think. So now we need to remove that. So we need to give the delete query. So delete. We want to delete from someone from student table. So use various student. All right, student table. So where we want to use where clause. Okay, where first name. Um, we have first name like Natasha. So yeah, I can get that from update query too, but I delete it. No worries. Okay, Natasha. I don't think Natasha is gone. So okay, it's kidding. Okay, Natasha. Um, now we have last name, so we need to use AND operation and copy that. Just copy that and last name Vimalasena. Okay. 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 Vimalasena. I did that. And okay, Natasha, I'm removing you. Okay. Now let's run the query. Okay. go to data sheet and see what's happened here. Okay, you removed now. You have been removed. Okay, no anymore. All right. Now we did this. You can see the delete query. So delete from student table. I have two condition, Natasha and Vimalasena, first name and last name. So use that two condition. We can delete that student. All right. Now we have fifth question. Yeah, we have fifth question. So find out the details of all. So that's so easy because we already know. We have uh, really a little word to write. So select all. We use this star from student table. Oh, student. Uh, let's just exam marks. It mentioned our table name, database name also, and student name. All right, good. Now push this semicolon and run the query. So now we can have all the students in our database. So you can see it. All right. Now you can see it. So done this one also. And now we have find the marks of mathematics subjects of the all student in the first term. Okay, we have to find the mathematics subject first term marks. Okay, now we need to use subquery because we need to you can see we need to join first term term table and subject table and student table. So we need to join those three tables to search that given detail. So now let's just do that. So we want to select something. So we want to select some from marks. So select, use abbreviations and marks from student exam mark record. I want a student exam mark record. So let's get that. I don't like to type. Let's get that. And we need to get subject table. We need to join subject table to for our select our given detail. So now we need to use where close, and I need to get that subject ID, subject ID. Need to get the subject ID, and all right, subject ID. So it equals to this search query. So I want to search mathematics subject from subject table. So I am writing that subquery on there. So select subject ID from subject table. So okay, from subject where why is that in blue color? Variations. Yeah. Um, subject name. Right. So let's get that. Subject name. So we need to find mathematics subject. So that is a subject name. So we need to get that subject name. Name is variation to close it, and we want mathematics. So let's get the name. IDSQL is so friendly to type queries. Mathematics. Okay, and now we need another condition, and we use AND operation if we have another condition. So we have to get exam term table, we have to connect that table with this. So now we want to get the exam term ID. So now go to this, and now you can see exam term ID. We have exam term ID, and go to query. Now we can do it from there, and now we want to select first term in term table. So now go to exam terms, and so we can get the select query and customize it. So I'm just copying that, and we need to get the term ID. So that term ID from exam term, we need to get the exam term from subject note is exam term. So where term name, yeah, uh, term name is exam term by column name. So yeah, and it is first term. Okay, we can get this in there, first term. And now we wrote the query, all good, and I don't see any, yeah, don't see it. So let's just run the query. We have unknown field marks. Okay, marks. What? We don't have mark field. Oh, we have mark. We put marks. Okay, my bad, my bad. Okay, I run the query. All right, we have given this mark. So marks. Yeah. So this is first term mathematics marks. So we can get that. So we have 50, 80, oh, good mark. 78, 78.24. What is that? 90, 45, 70, 89, 72.52. Okay. Like that, we can get the first term mathematics mark using this kind of sub query, sub SQL query. All right. So now, yeah. So now it's all okay. So we have to do seventh question. So find all the marks obtained all the students in the first term in single language and literature subject. So we can customize this thing also. So we find the mathematics subject. Now we have to find first term single language marks. So now let's don't write the query again. So let's get this subject name and change the subject name. uh, this is all same. So we get marks from student marks record and a subject ID. We want to connect subject table to find that detail. So we are connecting subject table using subject ID. That's primary key. So now when we connect that table with this query, so we can search some details from that query using the select query. And now we have to connect term table with this query, and we are using exam term ID, that is the primary key of that table. So when we connect that table, we can get that select. Uh, we can do that search query in the term table using this, and we can have this kind of SQL query finally. So now we have to search single language first term marks. So we are changing that subject name like this, and now I need to search that. So I have that. So yeah, someone has 100 marks, perfect, and 78.6, 75, 85.5, good marks, 85.56, good, 78.6, yeah, same marks, okay, must be copy. No, I'm just kidding, 99, good. So yeah, we can have this kind of mark in the first term for single language. All right. Uh, Now we are going to last question of the question set 90. So Amandu Vijay Singh entered another school from, okay, school leavers, school changes. All right, school changes everywhere. So these two students is not good because they are school changes. That is their hobby. I don't prefer that. So Amandu Vijay Singh entered another school from this school before the first term examination. Yeah, due to receiving a scholarship. All right, he has got a scholarship. Good. Therefore, remove the information on the student from the student table. All right. School leavers. I hate. All right. Now we need to uh, remove the Amandi Vijay Singh. So now go to student table. Right. Student table data. So we need to remove that. Bye bye. Uh, Delete from student. We won't delete some details from a student table. So we need to use first name and last name like previous one. So use where clause, and we have given first name, so first name, and it equals to Amandi, and we have to use AND operation. Copy this, paste name, this is right. Yeah, simple. And okay, run the query. All right, good. Now we are going to data sheet, and still on there. Bye bye. Not no anymore in our school. Okay, all right. I delete that. Okay, these two are useless. School changes. We delete that. We remove them from our school database. So now we all did these 8 questions in question set 19. So now you can understand what are the SQL queries, how to update some data, and how to delete some data. And also, this question doesn't mention we want to use insert query to insert those details, but I do that video for SQL queries only. So I use SQL query, insert query to uh, insert those data to our table. All right, now you can understand. Really, I don't fast forward this video today, because you need to you need to understand this clearly, and I give some times to get some photos or screenshot. Anyway, I don't know. If you want to get that, you can get that, because I am doing this slowly. So all right guys, I think you understand that well. So I'm just winding up my session now. So I will catch you guys in my 20th question. So what we have in 20th question, let's see about that quickly. Yeah, we have little 5 questions in question set 20. I hope to discuss that quickly. All right. I'm just stopping my video now. So leave a like if you get some knowledge from this video to your knowledge. So subscribe me, spam my channel with your friends, so share any videos, they will be helpful. So subscribe me for more and leave a like. I will give you interesting contents in my channel, and also you can fund with some gameplays, and also you can educate with this kind of interesting things. So all right guys, I will catch you soon in my next video. Peace.